Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to change a store. You must first cancel your Apple Music subscription. So guys, when you try to change country origin from your app store, and you will see this type of error that you can't be able to change your country origin, uh, you must cancel Apple Music subscription firstly. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix this problem. You can easily fix it. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if you are using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to go back. So guys, after this you have to open your Apple ID or iCloud account, and guys, now you have to click on subscriptions, and guys, you will see this type of interface. From here guys, you will see that you have purchased Apple Music subscription. So guys, firstly you have to remove that subscription, and after this you can easily change your country and region from your app store. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.